Hello all, welcome back again to R&D Labs with me Rohan, and in today's tutorial we'll see how to add switch statements to your Swift project. Let's get started. So first of all, why to use switch statements? You already have if and else statements already available. Uh, in my opinion, you can use it interchangeably, but when you go to look at the organization of your code and to have a better understanding of your code, I would always prefer using switch statements. So using this approach, what you do is you write all the condition once and then list out all the possible outcomes of what should happen for each of the conditions. So how do you use switch statements after all? So again, as I said, it is depending on a condition. So let us portray a use case. We will say if a person enters his name as Joe, okay, we will write a condition as if the name is Joe, let us reply back saying hi Joe. Okay, so we will say let o employee employee name is equal to Joe. Okay, and if the employee name is Joe, let us write a switch statement. Okay, so how do you write a switch statement? So we will use uh, the switch statement keyword, and the value is o employee. Okay, so we will specify the o employee value to it, and what is the pattern to the case. Okay, so we will write cases, multiple cases. So if the name is Joe, then we will say print hi Joe, hi Joe. So what if you want to write another case? So just press enter and type case again. Okay, and we will write uh, uh, Jonathan. Okay, so if the employee name is Jonathan, and you have to add a colon at the end of the case. So let's write print Jonathan, print hi Jonathan, yeah. Okay, so why is this default block after all? Default block is something that is used in case if none of the cases above matches. Okay, so you can just simply say print name doesn't match, and that's the end of it. Okay, so let's see how does it work. So the employee name is Joe, and we have written a switch statement here, and inside the switch we have multiple cases. So case number one is Joe, so if the employee name is Joe, then it will print hi Joe. Okay, and if the case is Jonathan, then it will print as hi Jonathan. Okay, if none of the cases matches, then the default output is name doesn't match. Okay, let's run this and see. There you go. So it shows hi Joe. Why? Because we have set the employee name as Joe, and inside the case it is Joe. What if I just delete the E at the end, and let's see how does it work. It says name doesn't match. Okay, so this is how you add a switch statement to your Swift code. Okay, you can easily substitute this with the multiple if and else statement, but when you use switch statements in your code, the code is much more cleaner, easier to read and understand. So this is how you use switch statements in your Swift project. And as I said in the tutorial, you can substitute them with multiple if and else statements if you need to make the code look more cleaner, more readable. Okay, and if you have any doubts, please reach me out in the comment section. Please like and subscribe the channel, and see you until next time. Thank you.